And just like that, my trip to Japan is now just a memory. A memory that kind of feels like I was lost half the time I was there. Lost, not knowing what train to take, what station to get on, not even knowing what platform to wait at. We're just trying to figure it out all by ourselves. And even with the use of Google Maps, it didn't really give us a clear idea of which way to go. It honestly felt like I was constantly guessing, hoping I'd end up in the right place. Navigating the Japanese train system felt like a great metaphor for my own life. Just like in the station, there are so many choices in life, so many trains you could hop on, but none of them come with a guarantee. I'd stand there, watching train after train go by, thinking, am I even going in the right direction? People all the time tell us there's a path that we always have to follow. We gotta go to school, get a stable job, and eventually you'll arrive at some kind of destination. Google Maps helped a little, but it couldn't answer the bigger question. What is the right path for me? Looking back, my life was anything but a straight line. As a kid, I was sure I'd make it to the NBA, that I'd be one of the best point guards in the world. But when high school came around, I didn't even make the team. So I shifted gears. I tried out for a dance team, thinking maybe I'd be a world-class choreographer. But that dream didn't quite fit either. Then, I decided to join the military and pursue a career as a police officer. But even with a degree in criminology and a certificate in police studies, life had other plans. And that door didn't open for me either. It's like I spent my life jumping from one platform to another, boarding train after train, and still feeling lost. I'd check the map again, feeling frustrated only to realize there's always another route. A longer one, maybe. In those moments, you crave a straight path. But life, just like the Tokyo rail system, is rarely that simple. So I learned to take a breath, pause, and see that there are so many ways to reach the same destination. And sometimes the fastest route isn't the best one. Sometimes getting lost brings you to places you never would have discovered otherwise. It's easy to get caught up in following a rigid plan. But maybe those detours, the longer, messier paths, are exactly what we need. And now, I understand something I didn't before. The final destination was never a job title, a station, or an achievement. The real destination has always been the moments where I felt most alive, the happiest. I wasn't truly lost. I just didn't know which route would get me there. Every decision I made, every missed turn, every doubt, it all shaped my journey. And listen, the journey wasn't a straight line, far from it. But that's where the growth happened. In those moments when I thought I had no direction at all, I learned more about myself. And now, looking back, I see that it was never about finding the quickest way. It was about discovering my own unique path. Japan, with all the memories you've given me, you taught me that no matter which train I take, I will eventually reach my destination. And to be honest, it was never about how. It was always about when.